Alright, so kicking this meal prep off on Sunday. That is breakfast sausage. Now you're going to see I had leftover peppers, onions, things like that. And I'm trying to use this little doodad to chop it up. It is not working for me. I gave up. I try to load our egg white breakfast thing with veggies. This is for me, Ashton, and Andi. And I gave up on the little chopper thing. So I'm like, it's cool. I'm going to chop it. It's not much anyway. So I'm stirring the baby in the breakfast sausage, and I come back to this. So you'll notice that there's a whole lot of veggies going on in this egg white concoction that I have going on here. There's Roma tomatoes, spinach, peppers, onions, and y'all, it cooks down into this amazing breakfast conglomeration that's just, it's so good. So I'm pouring in the egg whites, a whole carton of the egg whites, and I added the breakfast sausage, and I did add some cheese. And I'm just going to pour this over. Now I'm trying to get enough for, like I said, all three of us ladies in the house and outside of the house. And at this point, I am starting the chicken. This is going to be for lunch for me and dinner for Ashton. Now I'm adding asparagus. I'm also going to add the rest of the spinach to this. You'll see in a moment. This is all stuff from Trader Joe's. So I'm cutting the asparagus. I steamed it. I love this steamable asparagus. And I'm just cutting it into little bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add that spinach, wilt it down with that chicken where it's just completely covered with the seasonings. And notice I removed it from the heat. I've already steamed the asparagus. I'm just mixing it up. And now I'm going to take this Trader Joe's pasta sauce, and I'm going to just cover the veggies and the chicken with this. It's super clean. There's not a lot of ingredients. I tried it after. It's so good. Like, oh my God. Now, I have already pre-measured. You see me measuring. Like, I already know that she is going to get this much. She's getting 4 dinners out of this. And it's measured out according to her activity level. That was me tasting it. It's so good. And now I'm going to just spread it out amongst that. And then I had a little bit of extra for me for 2 days of lunches, which is amazing. And then I added, I added some Parmesan because it's good. And I wrote her little love notes on there. I hope she does so good this week. She's ready to go. Here we're back to the egg breakfast conglomeration here. Now, I have a few other videos where I talk about these containers. So don't ask me how I know this. I just know from years of doing this that that's how much egg you should have. So I actually ended up having enough for Ashton, Andi, and myself for 4 days of breakfast this week, which is a huge win. It's loaded with vitamins. It's loaded with protein. It's the exact amount that we should have. And so I'm getting all of these topped. And Ashton was pretty excited because we weren't sure if she was going to get any breakfast out of this, but she totally is. And we are too. So this is a great win. And a great breakfast. And there it is, y'all. It was a great Sunday meal prep. It's going to be awesome this week.